It's 2026, your alarm goes off. You check your bank account. It hasn't changed. Meanwhile, someone you went to school with just made more money this month than you make all year. Not because they're smarter, not because they're lucky. Built skills that print income, and you didn't. Let me show you the 6 skills that decide who wins. Skill number 1, AI leverage. Not just prompt engineering. Leverage. Most people use AI like a toy. The top 1% use it like an employee. Agencies right now are charging thousands per month to automate workflows, generate content systems, build AI chatbots, and cut company costs in half. If you know how to turn AI into output, sales pages, apps, automation systems, you become 10 times more productive than the average worker. In 2026, companies won't ask, do you work hard? They'll ask, can you multiply output? That's power. Skill number 2, product building. Here's the shift. Employees trade time. Builders create assets. An app, a SaaS tool, a digital product, a niche service system. One product can pay you for years. You don't even need to be a genius coder anymore. No-code tools, AI copilots, they remove excuses. The real skill? Seeing problems other people ignore and building the solution. That's how you stop working for money and start having money work for you. Now, here's where most people stop. They build surface-level knowledge. But skill number 3 is technical depth, full-stack understanding, front-end, back-end, databases, servers. You don't have to be the best coder in the world. But when you understand how everything connects, you can lead projects, you can hire smarter, you can build faster. Technical literacy in 2026 will be like financial literacy in 2006. Ignore it, and you'll depend on people who didn't. But let me be brutally honest. None of this matters if you can't get attention. Skill number 4, attention control. This is the quiet money skill. The best product in the world is worthless if nobody sees it. Marketing is leverage. SEO is leverage. Paid ads are leverage. Personal branding is leverage. If you can drive traffic and convert it into sales, you'll never struggle for income. AI can create content, but strategy, positioning, psychology, that's human. Master attention, and you control opportunity. Now, here's the uncomfortable one. Skill number 5, self-discipline. This is the multiplier. Without it, the other 5 are useless. Most people don't fail because they lack information. They fail because they lack consistency. They get excited for 3 days, then distracted for 30. Discipline is what separates potential from results. And in a distracted world, focus is a competitive advantage. Finally, the skill that turns everything into money. Copywriting, sales, negotiation. You can build the best app, use the best AI, run the best ads. In 2026, there will be 2 types of people, those who adapt and those who complain. These 6 skills are not trends. They are leverage tools. Master them, and you won't fear AI. You'll use it. You won't fear layoffs. You'll create options. The only question is, are you building or scrolling? Comment the one skill you're committing to. And if you're serious about becoming unreplaceable in 2026, subscribe, because average is getting automated.